Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing video ever, and it's going to be a simple one. I have this Razor Goliathus Extended RGB mousepad. So I just got it today. Gonna open it up and see what's inside this box. Ooh, that feels nice. So let's see. Cut very carefully along the tape here on top. Hello. Okay. And let's open this. There it goes. Alrighty. Yes. So on top, it's just the cable, all neatly managed and everything, and a couple of stickers. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are into this thing. Stickers are okay, I guess. And so we open this, and this is what it looks like inside. It's kind of dark in there. You can't see very well. I apologize for that. What do we have here? We have the user guide, user manual. And this beautiful looking mouse pad. So peel this off of here, and so satisfactory, so satisfying. And we unroll this. So this thing's like as big as my desk. This thing is huge. Look at that. Woo! And there goes my clock. Yeah. Little sticker off the Razer logo here, off of this piece here. All right, well, feels nice. Let's fit it on my desk here. Oh. Yeah, I think this will look really nice with the rest of my desktop here. I have, in addition to this new mouse pad, I have this Razer Death Adder Elite mouse, and this Ornata Chroma keyboard. Nice keyboard, by the way. I really like it. It's, clicky, but not terribly clicky. Yeah. It's not too loud. So let's set this all up here. Take off their little twist tie off the cable. And Razer has really nice packaging. Little protection for the end of the USB cable. Let's plug this thing in and make sure that it works. So plug it in here. I will worry about cable management later. Ooh. Look at that. It is nice. then, well, there you have it. Like I said, you know, it's a very simple unboxing. Very nice looking. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button down at the bottom and like, and see you in the next video.